Travel time! Let's go to school! It's math time! Welcome to my Mathematics 5 class. Good day, everyone. I am Sir Ali, your mathematics teacher. Our lesson for today is all about percentage, base, and rate. Before we will proceed in our discussion, let me ask you a question. How to solve percentage, base, and rate? But before we will answer this question, let us unlock first the essential competencies. Now, let's define percentage. What is percentage? Percentage is the part or the number that you get when you take the percent of the base. As we all know, percentage is the part of the base or whole determined by the rate. The formula in finding the percentage is expressed as P or percentage equals base times rate. What is base? Base is the whole amount or the number from which you are taking a percentage. The formula of finding base is base equals percentage divided by or over rate. How about rate? Rate is the percent in the problem. You can find the rate by dividing the percentage by the base. Remember that the rate is a percent. This means that the answer that you get is the rate times 100. One way to ensure that you get the correct answer is to mark off 2 decimal places in the base before dividing. The formula of finding the rate is rate equals percentage over or divided by base. Now, let's have an activity. Instruction: solve for the percentage. Number 1. What is 25% of 30? Now, let's identify first the base, rate, and the percentage. Who can tell me what is the base? Very good. 30. How about rate? Correct. 25%. Therefore, the unknown is percentage. Now, let's solve problem number 1. Since the unknown is percentage, we will use the formula of percentage. P equals base times rate. Then, substitute the value of the base and the rate. P equals 30 times 25%. First, convert 25% into decimal. Simply move the decimal 2 places to the left. Now, we have P equals 30 times 0.25. Then, multiply. 30 times 0.25 equals 7.5. Number 2 example. Instruction. Solve for the rate. Question. 21 is what percent of 30? First, let us identify the percentage, rate, and the base. Who can tell me what is the percentage? Very good. 21. How about the base? Correct. 30. Therefore, the unknown is rate. And now, let's solve the problem number 2. Since the unknown is rate, we will use the formula of rate. Rate equals percentage divided by base. Then, substitute the value of percentage and base. Now, we have rate equals 21 divided by 30. Then, divide. 21 divided by 30 equals 0.7. Since the unknown is rate, we will convert 0.7 into percent by simply moving 2 decimal places to the right. Therefore, the answer, rate, equals 70%. Number 3 example. Instruction. Solve for the base. Question. 60% of what number is 42? First, let us identify the rate, the base, and the percentage. Who can tell me what is the rate? Correct, 60%. How about the percentage? Very good, 40. Therefore, the unknown is base. Let's solve problem number 3. Since the unknown is base, we will use the formula of the base. Base equals percentage divided by rate. Then, substitute the value of the percentage and the rate. Now, we have base equals 42 divided by 60%. In order to cancel percent, we will multiply it by 100% divided by 1. Cancel percent. Then, apply the rules of multiplication of fraction. 42 times 100 equals 4,200. Then, 60 times 1 equals 60. Now, we have 4,200 divided by 60. Then, divide 4,200 divided by 60. Therefore, the answer, base, equals 70. To sum up the lesson, percentage is the part or the number that you get when you take the percent of the base. Base is the whole amount or the number from which you are taking a percentage. Rate is the percent in the problem. Don't forget to answer your module and also take a picture of your written works and send it to me through Messenger. Once again, I am Teacher Ali. See you next week.